So 2026 is here, and I love seeing the tools other creators actually use. So I'm flipping the script to share 6 specific devices I'm using daily and genuinely recommend. And a lot of these are on special right now, so check the links below and let's dive in. If there's a product that I've got the most utilization out of, it has to be this. This is the Alumu G09 MagSafe phone holder. It is an amazing piece of engineering. Full aluminium build with magnets on both sides, which allows you to connect the device to like a fridge or anything that's metal, for example, in a gym if you want to film yourself. But the ability of this device just to be able to hold your phone in different ways is amazing because it's so solidly built. This hinge doesn't have any flex in it. So even if you twist it outwards or you twist it around to have your phone sitting in a portrait mode, it's going to hold its position. And it's just so cool. Like, I just can't believe that they've managed to build such a precise engineered product. And just because of that, I would recommend it. It does have this little ring here as well that makes it a little bit easier to carry your phone. Definitely a worthwhile pickup and the best MagSafe accessory I've had so far. The first upgrade that I've been eyeing off for a long time is a PTZ camera, meaning a pan, tilt and zoom. And this is the Obsbot Tiny 2 Lite, which is a 4K webcam with a gimbal in it, which makes it awesome when you're moving around on a web call to keep yourself centered and in frame and looking great. The biggest challenge that this webcam solved for me was to do with autofocus. And as you guys can see, it's really responsive, so I don't have to be out of focus on any more video calls. I'm hoping to go into more detail around the Obsbot PTZ cameras in a future video, but they do have 40% off currently with their spring sale, and I've got you guys a little bit of a hookup in the description below. So if you're interested in one of their cameras, go check it out. One surprising product that I really didn't expect to be using that much is the Nothing Ear 3. This is a brilliant pair of wireless headphones. So if you're considering buying something, don't give these guys a pass. Not only do they look absolutely beautiful with this nice, clear, transparent design, but the sound quality is, for me, like a 9 out of 10. The transparency mode or the noise cancelling, I would say, is like a 6 out of 10. I use it on a plane and it could still hear like 20% of the engine noise. So it's not like the best ever noise cancelling, but value for money and sound quality and functionality that you have through this device, especially using the app on the phone, it's amazing. Nothing did a killer job at this. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that this is the end game of chargers purely because it covers you for everything that you might need. This is the Alumu M10 10,000 milliamp battery pack. And the reason why it's so good is, number one, you've got a wireless charger on the back. You've got an Apple Watch charger. You've got a plug here that allows you to connect your phone or any device through USB-C. And it also allows for another USB-C cable connected on the side here. But because it's made from aluminium, it allows it to dissipate the heat in a really nice way when you're connecting your phone on the back. But look at that, like, just absolutely stunning. Love this little product. So you might be wondering, why the heck is this guy recommending me a USB-C cable? Well, the truth is I wanted something that will last and future-proof myself in 2 ways. This cable supports up to 240 watts of charging, which is way more than what you normally get from a USB-C cable, which is up to 100 watt. So anything that I want to charge in the future, this cable can support it. Plus, it's allowing up to 10 gigabyte transfer speeds, which is awesome when I connect it into my SSD when I'm working on projects. And it looks awesome. Because I had enough of the massive charging bricks that are out there, I ended up buying this Ugreen 65 watt Nexode Pro charger purely because of the design. Like, look at how slim that is. You've got 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A with the capability of charging up to 65 watts. So you're pretty much covered for everything you need. Obviously, when you're carrying a lot of technology in your pockets, the last thing you want is for your keys to scratch up against any of it. So I'm using here the Orbit Key Pro. It's great because it's very minimal and it doesn't jingle in your pocket. The reason why it's called the Pro is obviously the very nice material here and the self-screwing mechanism, but it also has this little kick out here that you can use to get to your primary key so you don't have to hassle around with everything. Obviously, this is my 6 recommendations and things that I'm using on a daily basis, but I would love to hear in the comments below what is something that you've got maximum utilization on so we stop wasting our money on junk. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a massive thumbs up. Look forward to seeing you guys in another video soon.